So let me show you how to open apps in floating windows on your OnePlus 15. So open the app and then you want to swipe up the app, and then when you get here you'll see either split view or floating window. So you want to go to floating window and release, and now that app is a floating window which you can bring to any point. You can resize it, you can drag it exactly where you want it, and you can use that app as a little floating window. Okay, so that's basically how to use apps as floating windows on your OnePlus 15. Now at any time you can tap on the three dots and then put this app in full screen view. You can change it to a split screen mode. You can minimize it, and when you minimize it, it's going to be this little icon that's hidden, and you can bring it back anytime, or you can close that app. So that's basically how to open apps or how to use apps as floating windows on the OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching and good luck.